The OnePlus 8 series will finally go on sale in India on Monday, June 15, but in limited stocks. If you were eyeing a flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 8 Pro is worth considering. Available in two variants, it is the company's most expensive flagship handset in the Indian market. A week's usage has given me a fair idea of the OnePlus 8 Pro's capabilities as a daily driver and how it fares against the competition. Should you consider it over the recently launched Xiaomi Mi 10 5G or the Samsung Galaxy S20 series? Let's find out. So guys, here we have the box of OnePlus 8 Pro, the minimally designed packaging from OnePlus 8, which looks really amazing. So let's quickly unbox this and let's find out how this smartphone looks in person and what you get inside this beautiful packaging. So the first thing that you will get to see is the phone itself with the company's logo Never Settle. So इसको जल्दी से बाहर निकालते हैं so that we can have an idea of the phone's design and look and feel. So this is how the glacial green color variant of the OnePlus 8 Pro looks like. I have removed all the stickers from the device, so I'm quickly going to switch it on and then we will have a look what else we get in this packaging. And here we go. So after the phone, we have this long elongated cardboard and which offers a lot of things. So the first thing that you will see here is the Red Cable Club card. I think this is an invitation letter from the brand. Yes. So this is the invitation letter for the Red Cable Club. And then you have the SIM card ejector tool here. And then we have some details for the device. It shows the highest SAR value. We have the plastic recycling packaging and stickers from OnePlus. So lots of stickers for you. So अगर आप इनको अपने लैपटॉप पे लगाना चाहते हैं या अपने बैग पे, so you get these multiple stickers with the OnePlus 8 Pro. We have the safety information and quick start guide for you. And then we have some more details here. So this is the silicone case that you will get with the OnePlus 8 Pro. यहाँ पर आपको लोगो भी देखने को मिल जाएगा Never Settle. So काफी लाइट वेट है, it's very soft and it will give you added protection to protect your smartphone from accidental damages. And साथ ही साथ यहाँ पर मिलती है OnePlus की signature red and white टाइप सी डेटा केबल. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, फोन के बॉक्स में आपको एक चार्जिंग ब्रिक भी मिलेगी. सो दिस इज द OnePlus Warp Charge power adapter and here we have the power rating of this power adapter. So in all you get the power adapter, you get the type C charging cable, you get the phone, you get the silicone case, and definitely you also get all these stickers and then the invitation for the Red Cable Club, which gives you some additional benefits when you buy the OnePlus smartphone. So guys, here's how the OnePlus 8 Pro looks like when you take it out in proper lighting, and I must say that the company has done a great job in creating this new color scheme and designing the overall handset because this feels really solid in hands and definitely premium. So we have this soft matte finish at the back panel and you can also spot the OnePlus logo at the bottom. We have this massive quad lens rear camera setup in which you will find three sensors placed in this vertically stacked module, and the fourth sensor is placed on the left side alongside this flashlight. And on the left side you will find the volume rockers. Let me take you closer so that you can have a good look of the device. So here we have the volume rockers on the left side, and on the right side you will find the quick button to switch between the audio profiles, and then we have this power button just place adjacent to this quick button. And then we have type C charging port at bottom, and you can also spot the speaker grill, a microphone and the SIM card tray. And on the top we have another microphone, and you can also spot this unique cut out here and the antenna bands. Talking about the display, so here we have the 6.7 inches Quad HD Plus screen of OnePlus 8 Pro, and this is the default wallpaper that you will get to see once you set up the smartphone. So let's talk about the display and specifications of the smartphone in detail. The OnePlus 8 Pro sports a 6.78 inches Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with a fluid 120Hz refresh rate. The screen offers a resolution of 3168 by 1440 pixels, which results in an impressive pixel density of 513 ppi. Everything looks crisp and vibrant on this Quad HD Plus panel. Colors pop out really well, and you also have plenty of settings in the display section to play around with. You must enable Vibrant Color Effect Pro as it enhances the contrast and colors to make content look more vibrant. You will also find several color profiles in screen calibration section. The natural profile is very accurate in displaying colors, but you can also enable sRGB, Display P3 and AMOLED wide gamut to make colors look more vibrant and punchier. Unlike Samsung Galaxy S20 series devices, the OnePlus 8 Pro's display can be set to run at 120Hz refresh rate with a max Quad HD Plus resolution. Moreover, the motion graphics smoothing is another highlight feature of the OnePlus 8 Pro's display. It basically increases frame rates by interpolating some additional frames in the videos being played to reduce the motion blur, thus making videos appear clearer and smoother. The effect is clearly visible while watching videos, and there's no other smartphone in the market that offers this feature. It really enhances your video watching experience. The screen is also compatible with HDR10+, which makes videos look brighter and punchier in supported applications like Netflix and Prime Videos. The OnePlus 8 Pro features a quad-lens rear camera setup. The 48 megapixel primary camera works on the latest Sony IMX689 sensor and is paired with a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 ultra-wide angle sensor. The third lens in the configuration is an 8 megapixel OIS-enabled telephoto lens, and you also get a 5 megapixel color filter lens, which was highly criticized to be able to see through some objects. It was disabled on our review unit, and the team informed that a software update will make it functional with limited functionality. Moving on, the optically stabilized 48 megapixel sensor delivers better low light performance, and the images also show much better detailing than the phones backed by the previous Sony 48 megapixel sensor. The colors look vibrant and photos look very realistic. The noise is also controlled very well. However, the dynamic range could have been slightly better. The 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens doubles up as a macro lens and performs a wonderful job in taking macro images. The images show punchy colors and good detailing. The main camera and the telephoto lens also performs a good job as a depth sensor, as the bokeh looks quite pleasing. Last but not the least, the wide angle shots look dramatic but have slight white balance and exposure issues. The 48 megapixel lens is essentially a 13mm equivalent sensor and offers a wide 119.7 degree field of view. The OnePlus 8 Pro is a performance champion, powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 CPU and 8GB or 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. The smartphone never gives any reasons to complain. We did not experience any lags or any performance issues on the handset in our review duration. The highly optimized Oxygen OS based on Android 10 looks more refined and is a delight to use. The handset is backed by a 4510 mAh battery cell, which is backed by Warp Charge 30T power adapter, and you also get Warp Charge 30 wireless charging support. The phone's battery can easily last a day even when you are running the display and UI at 120Hz. The OnePlus 8 Pro is the first device to offer support for 90 FPS Fortnite gameplay. The other flagship smartphones can only run the game at 60 FPS max. Playing Fortnite at 90 FPS on the OnePlus 8 Pro's vibrant 120Hz refresh rate panel is a sheer delight, but there's a catch. The screen automatically starts running at low resolution if you bump the frame rate to 90 FPS. What this means is that while the gameplay becomes buttery smooth, the detailing in the game's textures take a hit and only come alive when you move closer to the display. Nevertheless, the smoother 90Hz gameplay looks pleasing to eyes and makes overall gameplay experience quite enjoyable. Overall, the 8 Pro is the best flagship smartphone ever came out from the house of OnePlus. It's a complete flagship device with no compromises. At a starting price of Rs 54,999, the 8 Pro with its vibrant Quad HD Plus display, versatile camera, long-lasting battery, streamlined software and power-packed performance proves to be a better buy than the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G and even the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. The smartphone is also IP68 certified, making it dust and water resistant, a much expected feature on the OnePlus device. We don't want to stress much on the device's 5G connectivity because there is no infrastructure in India, but it still makes the OnePlus 8 Pro a future-proof handset. So this was all about the OnePlus 8 Pro. The smartphone will be available in India on Monday, June 15th. Would you buy this over the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S20 series? Let us know in comments, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology.